Welcome to watch today's fresh home. Stately, splendid, and swathed in Parisian elegance, this 400 square meter Haussmannian apartment overlooks the Faubourg Saint-Honoré neighborhood. It is a serene oasis amidst the capital's corridors of power, contrasting majestic reception rooms with reassuring, comfortable private spaces. Beneath the 4-meter-high ceiling, the hallmarks of the patrician Paris apartment are subtly updated, here by reinventing the hue of the gilt gracing the 18th-century decor. They're in a custom-crafted stained glass window with 1930s character. For this project, Rinck's teams took great care to respect the history of the premises, enhancing existing features and finding even the most minute ways to let in as much light as possible, making the most of this outstanding location. The furniture is unquestionably contemporary for an additional touch of sophistication, blending impeccably with the classic spaces, adding organic elements of color where wood and marble reign supreme.